Today we will learn Python tuples in a simple way. So yeah guys, my name is Din Kumand and this is day 9 of learning Python. So yeah guys, if you want more videos from day 1 to day 8, you can check my playlist. So yeah, and you can check from first, then click in this video. So yeah, and my goal is to become a good in Python. So yeah guys, that's I am learning Python and I am teach you that what I have learned. So yeah guys, so let's understand what is syntax. In syntax, my tuple, if I write then 1 2. So yeah, I had said you first, in tuple we can store more values. So yeah, after that we can print my tuple. If I run this program, then here we print obviously 1 2 3. But this is very easy. So if you want to print not the 3 1 2 3 not, but on if you want to print the only the first number, then you have to first square bracket, then you have to click 0. Means in 0 value 1, then 2 1, in 0 value 1, in 1 value 2, and in 2 value there is 3, you can see. So yeah, if I click, if I run this program now, then here it will come 1. So it's very easy. If I click here 2, then here it will come 3. It should come 3, yeah. So you can see here it had 3. So yeah, and there is something difference between list and tuples. In list is mutable, means changeable. Okay guys, but in tuple immutable, means unchangeable, it will not change. Okay, that is the difference between list and tuples, but it is very similar. So yeah, tuple is very important guys. So let's learn one more program. We can write the length of this. Yeah, what will be the length of this? If I run this program now, but oh, I had written one little mistake. What I had done means, yeah, wait, now it will work, I think so. Yeah, 3, you can see here the length of the tuple is 3. You can see here only 3 digit means 3. So yeah, after that, so yeah guys, you can count any numbers using this. So my tuple dot count, in the bracket we can write any values. Here you can see only 2 is there, so the output will be 2. If I run this program again, then it will come 1. And if I write here 2 means 2 again, then here it will come, in the output here it will come 2. So yeah, there is 2, so 2 will come. That's the difference. So yeah, we had down the count. Now we can print index. Print my dot index of 3. If I write, then if I run this program, then here will come 2 and 3. Okay, so yeah, tomorrow you are going to learn about dictionaries. Subscribe for more such types of videos.